Okay, people, so this is what we're going to do. You're going to write your name on the back of your paper. You're going to hold your paper portrait style rather than landscape. Okay, that's going to be very important for this project. And inside the Google Doc for the Impressionism Bridges project, you can take a look at the pictures that I have of lily pads, and you'll see that the lily pads, they're almost shaped like hearts, a lot of them. If you're not going to do the curvy hearts, you can do regular circles for the lily pads. And I'm going to draw a few in the back here. Okay, I'm going to make them a little bit smaller on the top because your bridge that you're going to be standing on is going to be right over here. And this entire picture is going to look like it's overlooking a river. So the lily pads at the bottom of your paper are going to look bigger. Okay, so these will be bigger, and some of them can overlap, which means one can be on top of another. They can go in different directions. So I'm going to make these curvy hearts in a cluster here. And these down here are going to be bigger. And then the ones up here, I'm going to make a little bit smaller because they're going to look like they're farther away. And after I have made a few, I'm going to make sure I don't draw anything in here because this is where my bridge is going to go. After I make a few, I'm going to put some flowers on certain parts of my lily pads. So I'm going to look at the pictures in the Google Docs, and I'm going to make awesome looking flowers with some petals and the buds inside the flowers on some of these. Okay, so maybe over here I'll put 2 flowers on there. And you can design the flowers you want. I'm going to put one here, and then I'll put one over here. And these can be any colors you want, too. You don't have to copy what colors they are in the photographs. So maybe over here, I'll do a smaller one because these are behind. So see these lines right here? I'm going to erase so it looks like the flower is on top of the lily pad and it's not see-through. Okay? All right, now I'm going to draw, a few more. Maybe I'll put one over here. So here's a lily pad. Here's a flower petal. And once you get a few of these drawn out, then you're going to start to color. Now, the lily pads are all going to be kind of the same color. They're going to be in the green family. So I'm going to take out my light green, my spring green. I could take out yellow, and I could do regular green right here. So I could start by pressing really hard along the edge of this lily pad, then lightening up with my dark green, and then I can start to put my light green in here and my spring green. Okay? When I start to do the flower, maybe I'll make the petals with the light green. Maybe I'll use yellow and orange for the inside of the buds. And then along the edge here, I can do magenta. And maybe the first one I'm going to do, I'll put like pink inside of it. Okay, so I'll start with a pink flower here. And these can be all different colors. So look at how nice the lily pad and the flower looks right there. Okay, now over here, I'll do the same thing. So one more time, here's the green hard along the edge of the lily pad. Here's the light green. Then I'm going to do light green here for the bottom petal of the flower. Then again, I'm going to do orange, and then I'm going to put yellow on top. But then inside this one, I'm going to do blue and purple. So I'm going to take my violet, and I'm going to outline hard with the violet. And then inside, I'll do light blue. So it's going to look really nice. So definitely be creative with the colors. Make them bright. Mix your colors together. Don't be afraid to blend. In art, blending is your best friend. And you're going to start coloring these in today. Okay, so again, look at this lily pad. Look at how nice that looks. And then spring green and light green. Okay, so have fun drawing these out and coloring them in. See you later.